The Angel Wings project started in 2012 in Los Angeles. Collette Miller painted the angel wings to remind humanity that we are the angels on earth. People were inspired by her art, and they too painted angel wings around the world, spreading the message to all.
How did you find out about the Angel Wings project?
Well, the art teacher, Miss James, came and saw me and said that there was this project to do with global altruism and global values, and being part of creative communications, I knew that we needed to have a cross-curricular project, so I said we would love to be involved. So while the art department was handling the creation of the wings, the mural, we handled some of the paperwork, the preparation work and the research, as well as of course creating this documentary as a way of supporting the students' engagement.
What inspired you to make the Year 7s create this artwork?
Well, I personally did it, but what was actually inspirational for Miss James was to see this global phenomena of the Angel Wings project as it took off across social media. And we know that social media is a great leveler of people and their ability to actually engage with each other. So we were looking at that more creative way of getting involved with connecting with other people around the globe through this project.
What do you think about the Angel Wings project?
I think they're very inspirational and they look really nice around the school.
I feel like the Angel Wings project adds a much needed splash of colour to the wall outside the art area.
Do you believe that the Year 7 students will be able to recreate this?
I don't think they're going to recreate it, because that's not the point of the Angel Wings project. It's not about creating the prettiest wings or making it the most successful or better than anything else. It's the idea of, through the process and through engagement with it and the study of it and the reflection of it, to think about themselves as people who bring good to the world. It's an empowerment project.
Hi, we are part of the Creative Communications as our co-curricular activity, we've chosen the Global Angel Wings project. That is a global movement started by Collette Miller to inspire locals and reminds the people of the world that we are the angels of the earth. The project is a little meta. We are producing the Angel Wings in art while covering the production and reflection process in English. The Angel Wing project asks students to communicate the positive message to the world, which we'll be doing by publishing the documentary on Facebook.
How does that positive message that we are responsible for being good in the world fit in with the school's values of respect, responsibility and relationships?
Well, I think it fits right in, because we all have a responsibility to our community and we have a responsibility to engage in sustainable practice, and we all need to respect each other.
Yeah, that's a good point.
I feel like the Angel Wings bring a heartfelt message across the school.
I think the Angel Wings look really cool and it spreads a beautiful message.
As part of this task, we have had to construct our own management groups and keep track of production and time.
So why do you think it is important for young people to learn these skills?
Because in my experience, you don't get too far in life if you are not capable of organising yourself and meeting deadlines, setting targets for yourself and then trying to achieve them.
So, as principal, you often have to deal with the negative side of social media. So how do you feel about the use of it to spread the positive message?
I'd love to see social media only ever used for positive things, and it really upsets me that it's used so frequently for completely the opposite.
I like the Angel Wings because they're nice and colourful and they brighten up the school, and I think they spread a good message.
Having the Angel Wings around the school reminds us to be kind and help others.
As part of this project, we have had to think about what good we will bring to the world. As with us, we have been thinking about the responsibility that we have as humans to protect the earth and its people.
So what's saying that you feel you have contributed positively to the community?
It's always been a bit upsetting to me that I don't have a lot of spare time to engage in volunteer activities. But the way in which I reconcile myself with that is that by leading a school, which is a very important part of our society, and maintaining a safe and orderly environment and trying to inspire children and adults as well, that I see that as my contribution to society. During COVID, I think that as a leadership team, we have kept the school running, and that's often been one of the very few constants in children's lives. So I think that's how we've contributed in the last 3 years in particular.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a Year 7 student in Woodville Secondary College. I made the design of the wings, and I wanted it to make sure that everyone could take part in designing it and painting it. What inspired my design? The original artist is called Collette Miller, and she inspired my design. What do you hope for the wings to become? I want them to give hope to the school as a community, and I hope that it will do that.
Hi, I'm Layla, and I painted the angel wings with Lucas. I found painting the angel wings quite easy as we learnt all of the material beforehand, doing our own angel wings. We learnt how to do different lines and how lines affect an artwork.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and my role in the Angel Wing project is painting. I have found the Angel Wing project easy to paint because we have done simple lines and hard lines, long lines and short lines. It's not very difficult as it's really simple, and I've enjoyed it.
In this painting of the angel wings, we used the school colours, yellow, blue and white. We also used green for a bit of vibrancy and texture for variation.